Part 4 of Chapter 3. When Jalal was 7 years old, he used every morning to recite the very short chapter, Surah 108 of the Quran. Verily, we have given thee the abounding good. Therefore, do thou perform thy devotions unto thy Lord and slaughter victims. Verily, he who evil entreateth thee is one who shall leave no issue after him. He used to weep as he recited these inspired words. Well, revealed, it's the right term, because the hadith are actually of a different language, but well, I mean, the different, you can tell by the language that it's not Quran. But the Quran, Surah, 108, victims, that implies something to some people, but they're talking about the sacrifice. Now, the most superb sacrifice, people could say, well, it's this camel, right? Na pinnacle kauthar, wasala rabika one har, one har. Suddenly, God, one day vouchsafed to appear to him visibly. Well, not how the Christians would say God would appear, but on this he fainted away. Regaining consciousness, he heard a voice from heaven that said, "O Jalaluddin, by the majesty, Jalal, of our glory," royal, we sort of thing going on, "do thou henceforward cease to combat with thyself, for we have exalted thee to the station of ocular vision." Jalal vowed, therefore, out of gratitude for this mark of grace, to serve the Lord to the end of his days, the utmost of his power, in the firm hope that they who followed him would also attain to that high grade of favor and excellence